My first memory of Katy Perry is the song Teenage Dream. I fell in love with that song. That song was my anthem for the whole year. She has so many iconic looks that it's really hard to pick one. I love the fact that she's always upping her style, be it her hair color, her makeup or her clothes. For today's transformation, we picked something really bold and edgy. I just cannot wait for it. Wow, I'm pretty impressed with myself. Let us know in the comment section below what you think of this transformation, and if you haven't already, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.
Maybe I'm painting blue. What I'm